When you see fans, you immediately think cool air in and hot air out, and yes, you are right. There's so much more to fans than just the basics. In this video, we'll be taking a look at the Thermaltake Premium Ring RGB fans and seeing how they are different. Also, if you guys want to win a triple pack set of these fans with the Thermaltake View 28 case, make sure you watch the video till the end to find out some more. Hello everyone, good afternoon, how are you all doing? My name is Adil. Welcome back to yet another review. Now, since you already know what this video is about, we'll just go ahead and dive right in. Now, with these Premium Ring RGB fans, Thermaltake have gone with 11 blades with this kind of cutout at the end of each blade, which is meant to enhance performance for airflow and of course keep the speed to noise ratio in check. And in this case, it does, keeping your PC around 24 decibels. That means you can enjoy your gaming session without having to hear a jet engine in the same room. Now, the cable is wrapped in this rubber kind of shrouding, which is quite thick, and you also get 70 centimeters or 700 millimeters of cable, which is more than enough for any PC build, especially when you're plugging these directly into the controller and not the motherboard, because you have a ton of options to control this with the software provided, or not provided, to download from Thermaltake's website. You get me right. Talking about the controller, this has changed from the previous model and quite a bit too. I think it's gone on some kind of diet, lost a few grams and looks much smarter, and actually is smarter than the previous model as well. You can connect up to 4 controllers altogether and control 3 fans with each controller, which means you can have up to a maximum of 12 fans linked directly into the controllers. However, you can extend these up to 80 fans, I believe it is, with splitters and all that kind of stuff. But if you want just direct fans into the controllers, up to 4 hubs or 4 controllers, allowing you 12 fans in the Premium Ring RGB edition. Now let's see what else has improved in this controller. Moving on from the previous model, where you have buttons on the controller and manually have to change the lighting mode, the speeds and all that kind of stuff, Thermaltake have gone and taken that away, changed the controller around and input that all onto the software that Thermaltake provides with these fans, or you can download on Thermaltake's website. I keep saying Thermaltake provides, they do not provide the software. You can download that off their website, but you can change these fan colors into up to 16.8 million colors of your choice, and there are a few lighting modes available also, so let's quickly take a look at those and then come back onto how the fans operate. So you have a choice of static colors, obviously from 16.8 million colors. You have this blinking option where the fans keep blinking on and off like a siren going off. You can mix it up to turn it into a blue and red sirens, like a police kind of chase. I don't know why would you do that anyways. And you can also have this RGB edition where the fans are just changing color constantly into this RGB color, so constantly move from color to color, and finally you can turn those off. So these are the 3 to 4 options available with this edition of the fans. They've also released the newer version, which is the Premium Ring Plus fans, and you have a lot more option with those, but they are twice the price of these ones. These are twice the price of the previous model. So talking about price, these will set you around 60 to 70 pound in the UK, depending on where you purchase them and what kind of offers are on at the time. And now these are quite expensive. If you look at fans, you get 3 fans with a controller for around 60 pound. So is it worth that jump from the previous model? I'm not too sure about that, because the performance isn't vastly improved. If you were to make a jump, I would jump from the first model or first gen to the Ring Plus editions, and if you're starting out building a new PC, then these are the ones to go for, as they are balanced between price and performance. Now you can also control the speed of the fans through the software provided, and you can set up to 5 different profiles. The only downside to the software is that you cannot change the name of the profiles. Maybe this will be changed with an update provided later on down the line, but you can save this to a gaming edition or overclock mode or silent edition, you know, in terms of profile set, and that way you can just click between each profile and choose whichever profile is convenient for you at that time. Now, cool thing about this software is if you were to run the first color in red and you wanted the other two to match the exact same red color, then all you do is click the copy button on the other two fans in the software, and it will immediately change over to the color of the first fans. So you will have a synchronized color across all 3 fans. Now overall these are great fans, and in terms of pricing, around £60 here in the UK can make them a little more expensive than other fans available on the market. Ring edition fans are obviously unique to Thermaltake. However, I can eat an ice cream bun, but I'm fasting so I can't. Bad timing. Overall these are great fans for the price. Now, does it justify spending £60 just to upgrade from the previous models? Well, that depends. If you want to control the fans and have all control via a software, then yes, make that jump. But if you don't mind controlling the fan, if you have an open case and don't mind reaching out to your controller and controlling the fan speeds, the lighting modes and all that kind of jazz from the controller, then I would not recommend you upgrading to these fans. And I don't think £60 justifies the small minute difference in performance from the Model 1 to Model 2, maybe Model 3, which are around £120. I don't think so. Well, that's it from me. I hope you guys enjoyed this overview review of the Thermaltake Premium Ring RGB fans. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video. I'm just kidding, guys. So if you guys want to enter into this giveaway, make sure you are subscribed to the channel, hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any future giveaways and any announcement I make on giveaway winners. Drop down to the link provided in the description below, which will take you over to Gleam. Now I believe the giveaway will be valid until the 31st of May. This was started about 2 weeks ago when I launched the video for the Thermaltake View 28 case review. So if you haven't watched that video, make sure you watch that video, which will also be linked below, because you'll be winning that View 28 case by Thermaltake along with these Ring fans. So make sure you don't miss out. Be safe, stay kind, and I'll see you all in the next video. Ring out. That was lame. Peace.